Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have recently changed your Wi-Fi router or updated your network password, your Kasa Sport pan tilt camera may go offline. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can change the Wi-Fi on Kasa Sport pan tilt camera in 2026. So first of all, you need to open the Kasa Smart application on your phone. Now, when you open the application, if you find that the camera shows offline, that usually means that it is still trying to connect to the old Wi-Fi network. So the next thing that you need to do is to simply reset the camera's Wi-Fi connection. So you need to simply gently tilt the camera lens upward, and then you just have to simply try to take a look at this type of reset button underneath. Now, in order to press this reset button, you may need a pin or a paper clip. So you need to use that, and you need to simply press and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds or until the status light starts blinking amber or green. So when it does, it simply means that now the camera is in the pairing mode. So you need to simply open your Kasa application on your phone, then simply tap on this plus icon on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, select the option of add device. Then on the next page, select the option of cameras, and then you just have to simply select the option of Kasa Sport from the list. Now, after doing so, you just have to simply follow further on-screen instructions, and you need to enter your new Wi-Fi password when prompted. TP-Link setup guides also recommend keeping the camera close to the router during pairing for a stronger signal. So once the setup finishes, you can also test the live feed, the pan controls, tilt cameras, and motion alerts inside the application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.